guys, it's Christine, also known as Ivy Winter. Thank you for joining me for another video. This is a bit of a sort of Disney video, kind of general travel video, as I am going internationally on my honeymoon trip in just 2 days time as of this video going up. I am so excited, like my heart is racing right now just thinking about it. So our first stop is Hong Kong, and we are going to Hong Kong Disneyland. And so I've been thinking a lot about not only what I need for the parks, but also what in general will make my international trip packing more efficient. So I wanted to share that with you, whether it's you're going on an international Disney trip or you're just going on an international trip, period. Here are some of my favorite essentials that I think are really important for any trip, whether it's Disney or not. So the first thing I want to show you is the luggage that I'm using. I have a check-in bag here, and I have my away luggage, which is my carry-on. And my check-in luggage is a brand called Delcy. I got it off of Amazon. It's actually a very affordable brand for a larger check-in luggage. This is the 28 or 29 inch bag. It has a hard outside that makes traveling with it really easy, protects your stuff in case they're throwing things around, and is a nice big size, especially for something like this, which is a 2-week trip. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got a little bag on the front here to pack stuff in, more space underneath, and more space even on this side. It can be extended a little bit, but I wouldn't recommend it when you're trying to stay within weight size for check-in luggage. It is very lightweight, so it shouldn't be a problem when it comes to staying within the 45-pound weight size. Then my second bit of luggage is an away luggage. This is called the bigger carry-on. There is a smaller one that's like maybe here, so this is only about an inch bigger. This is also very lightweight, rolls around really easily. I love the colors that they have. I was sold on it because my husband Peter has an away luggage in the regular carry-on size, and so I wanted to test that out. I gave it a test run my last trip to Disney and loved it. It comes with a combination lock that you can set, and on the other side it actually comes with a portable charger that stays in the bag, so you can charge in the bag, but as you can see, it can also be taken out, which is great because some security needs you to remove this, especially when traveling internationally. But it slips right in, and you can charge, a phone or anything else USB in there, which is really neat. My only issue with this bag is it sometimes feels a little flimsy, the handle, but it does have a lifetime warranty, so if anything should go wrong, they will replace it. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's got a great little compartment in here, another in here, and so overall, I'm really excited to use this bag. For international travel, you need an adapter. Adapters let you plug your electronics into the outlets in other countries, which are often differently shaped. So adapters by themselves are perfect for regular electronics, things like phones, laptops, and battery chargers. But if you want to plug in something like a hairdryer or electric razor, then you also need a converter, which converts the higher voltage to lower. We are not plugging in anything like that. This is the one that we picked up. The brand is called Epika. It's got 4 slots for USB charging. This is where you put in the regular charger. This is where you switch up. It actually is compatible in multiple countries. So there's these little switches on the side, and you can change what you're plugging in with that. So these are all different countries. We actually bought 2 of them, so we would have more than enough place to charge things. Then, to make things more organized inside of my luggage, I got some luggage cubes from a brand called Travel Season. That is these here. They make them in really cute patterns. I got this one with the little flamingo guys on it. It comes in a set of 8 cubes for around $20, including a shoe bag. Lots of different sizes depending on what you need. What it essentially does, it makes it easier to know what is in your bag, because I'm going to put this in my luggage. Everything compartmentalized, so I know exactly where everything is. I also picked up this hanging toiletry travel bag. I have a really bad habit of leaving all of my items strewn around the hotel sink and almost inevitably leaving something behind. And this trip, we are traveling to 4 different hotels, so I need to make sure everything was in one place. So this bag has a few different areas for me to pack toiletries. But what I love the most is that it hangs. So you can put in whatever you need, toothbrush and all that, makeup, and then hang it on the door behind your bathroom, and it'll be harder to forget something as you go from room to room. You'll also be making sure to pack not one, but 2 different pairs of shoes. I recommend this for all park trips, but especially just regular international trips, Disney or otherwise. My first pair here is from Allbirds. It is an all wool shoe. It is incredibly comfortable. You do not need to wear socks with it, which is really cool. It's pretty flexible, very light, and has really nice treading on the bottom. So this is definitely gonna be one of the shoes I'll be rocking on my trip. And then my second pair that I'm obsessed with and I wear everywhere, I've actually tested this through Disney World plenty of times. These are Cole Haan Studio Grand Weave sneakers. They are so flexible, kind of like a running shoe. They are made of leather, really cool, come in different colors, not just this gray color. And they are easy to slip on, easy to tie, just really cool looking, really sleek looking, but also just so incredibly lightweight. It feels like you're not wearing anything at all. When I bought these, they were actually like $250. They have since been reduced to $125. So I will put a link below if you're interested in them to where you can get them for that way cheaper price. But I swear by them, these are my favorite shoes like of all time. I love them. Of course, no trip would be complete without cameras. I will be bringing my G7X Mark II, which is my perfect vlogging camera. I like it because it has this reticulated screen so that when you're filming you can see yourself. I always connect it to my little tiny Gorilla Pod because it's easy to hold, but it's not considered like a selfie stick, so I can't get in trouble at Disney for it. But it's a better stabilizer than trying to hold your camera like this, you know, and holding it with a hand you might be shaking. This is a little bit easier to hold steady. And then of course I will also be taking my DSLR, which I'm filming on right now. It is a Canon SL1. It's the lightest DSL on the market, which is a huge reason why I bought it, because I hate the heaviness of most DSLRs. But the one that I'm filming on right now, right here, it's so light, so I feel like it won't drag me down. So I think between the video and photos on this and then video on this, we're gonna have some really great footage for you guys of the trip. And of course, lastly, the Hong Kong Disneyland app, which is really important to this specific trip. Every Disney park has an app. I recommend always downloading them because they're free. They will give you the lay of the land. They'll let you know what the wait times are, where you might want to eat, and all of the details within the parks. So definitely make sure you pick that up if you were going to a Disney park. Doesn't matter if it's domestic or international. So those are all of my traveling essentials, what I am taking with me. It's not everything. If it was everything, this video would be 45 minutes long, but hopefully that gives you some idea of what you can do and use when you're packing that can help you on your international trip. If you are a frequent traveler, whether it's going to Disney parks locally or internationally, or all of the above, I would love to know your comments below on what you feel are your travel essentials. What do you really need in that suitcase? What do you need with you in the parks, in the hotel, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then like it. If you like me, then you should subscribe. I'm putting out videos every single week. I'll be on my trip in the next couple of weeks while you're seeing some videos come out, but it'll be really exciting because by the time I come home, I'm gonna have awesome vlogs for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.